Tumbleweeds. I'm coming to you from the driver's seat of my van, which I have spun around facing towards the back of the van. I'm going to share a trip that my sister and I took to Palm Springs, and the plan was to go to Anza Borrego State Park to see the super bloom, although we were about a week late for that. We were going to ride the tram to the top of the mountain, eat at Sherman's Deli, and go to Joshua Tree National Park. You'll have to watch the video to find out exactly what we got to do and to see what happened or what was wrong with my van. And I'll tell you more about that too.
Leaving my sleazy Motel 6 in Indio, California, and we're going to drive to the south entrance of Joshua Tree National Park. We are at Joshua Tree National Park. There's Jane's van, there's Jane, and there's her little dog. We're at Joshua Tree National Park, and we're getting ready to enter the Cottonwood Mountains.
You're too far from it. They can't hear you.
Oh. You can't hear me!
Always over. But
this is the south entrance to Joshua Tree National Park, and those are the Cottonwood Mountains. Jane's van.
picture of me and Chia going into the van.
On to the park. So you want to drive? We're going to have to get you a booster seat so you can see out the windshield. We're at the visitor center. Jane is paying, or actually she has a pass.
I'll see some restaurants and be like, oh yeah, I have your whatever. There haven't been to the 5-8 club yet. I think you gotta pay for a car though.
Hey, Tumbleweeds! Guess where we are? We are back at Joshua Tree National Park. And look who's with me. My sister, Jill.
Hello.
My lovely and talented sister, Jill.
Am I talented? I knew I was lovely.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna head in. We just stopped at the visitor center to get brochures and maps and stuff. Oh, did I give those to you?
No.
You want to grab them?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see you in the park.
The granite cooled and crystallized, forming horizontal and vertical cracks. So that's how those little boulder piles form.
She's taking pictures of the tiniest little flowers.
These are bees. You see them? And they go on and on and on. This is the Cholla garden. Want me to run up to the top?
Sure. Hop up there.
Come here. Oh, you know me. You know me.
We pulled into the White Tank Campground so Jill could use the potty. But I'm looking at this rock in front of me and it looks like a big hand saying, talk to the hand. Jill and I are at the Joshua Tree Saloon. We just went through the Joshua Tree National Park and they are enjoying a gigantic Hatch green chili burger. Yum. So you heard the noise in the very first clip of the video. That was making a whirring noise, and the faster I went, the louder it got. And my sister told me she did not want to ride with me to Anza Borrego with my van making that noise because she didn't want to get stranded. So the day after we went to Joshua Tree, I made an appointment at Discount Tire because I had been told by Discount Tire once before that it was probably cupping with the tires, and that's why they were making that noise. So my sister went on to Enzo Borrego by herself, and I went to Discount Tire. Well, as soon as I got there, they tried to take the van into the bay to check it out, and the van was too tall. It was too tall for their lift, and I think it was with my WeBoost antenna on top. I think it was too tall to even get into the bay. So they couldn't help me, but they gave me the name of an RV guy, and I called him and made an appointment for the next morning. And so the next morning, we were supposed to go to the tram. So my sister decided she would come meet me at the RV place, and we would go have breakfast while they were checking out the van. But when I got to the RV place, there was no office or anything. It was just a fenced-in area, and the guy was just sitting in his truck outside the front. And I asked him, "Are you the RV guy?" And he said, "Yes. I just called you a few minutes ago." And he said, "Let me hop in and you can show me what the noise is." So he hopped in the van, and we drove a little ways down the road, and he heard the noise, and he said, "Let's stop here and I'll look." And he got out and looked, and he said, "Your tires are wearing on the inside, and that's what's making the noise." So I thought, okay, so what do we do about that? And he goes, "Well, you'll have to get new front tires." So I said, "Okay, do you have tires in stock?" And he goes, "Oh, I don't have tires in stock. You'll have to go buy the tires and have them installed." And I said, "Well, the reason I came to you is because Discount Tire couldn't put my van on the lift to put the tires on." Then he started saying all kinds of crazy things about asking me if this was a Mercedes. And I said, "Yes." And he said, "You know that some Dodge Sprinter vans have Mercedes engines in them." And I was like, "Okay, they're trying to tell me that I have a Dodge." And I pointed to the Mercedes emblem on my steering wheel, and he said, "Oh yeah, the Dodges have that too." As soon as he said that, I thought, this guy has no idea what he's talking about. So when we got back, my sister was there, and I politely excused myself and told him I needed to think about it. And I never went back. Jill has ordered borscht at Sherman's Deli.
It was so sweet.
It's beets, right? Is it good?
Delicious. You'll have to taste it.
It looks very slurpy. I ordered a New York hot pastrami with potato salad. So I have to get my potato salad because I don't want the coleslaw. How's the chopped liver sandwich?
It's delicious.
Potato salad good?
Yes. It's very...
So what I ended up doing was making an appointment at the Mercedes dealer in Phoenix. So I had planned on staying in Palm Springs until for like 10 more days. And I ended up having to leave the same day my sister left. Plus, it was going to be way, way too hot. It was going to be over 100 degrees in a few days after, so I probably would have left anyway. But, yeah, so I ended up having to drive from Palm Springs to Buckeye, Arizona, where I stayed at an RV park. And then the next day I drove to the dealer. Dealer said it's... Thank you so much for watching. please like and subscribe. It really helps support my channel. And find out what ended up happening to my van in the next video.
Like a tumbleweed, like a tumbleweed, she goes where